ice cream. Today I'm at Dairy Queen trying their new Blizzard, the caramel truffle fudgy awesomeness thing. I'm sure there's a more technical name for it, but it's chocolate fudge like swirled in. It's like toffee pieces. It's caramel truffle pieces, and it's all that in a Blizzard. I don't know how many calories and fat is in this. I honestly don't care. It sounds too amazing. And then actually, if you watch another video I'll be posting, I was at the Austin Rock Gym all morning, so I have earned this. I'm totally looking forward to this puppy right here because there's so much stuff in here. Alright, so I found the toffee, and it's very toffee-y, and it's definitely a very chocolatey ice cream. And there's chocolate chunks. I'm looking for a truffle. I don't know what it looks like though. Found it. Yeah, this is definitely a solid like Dairy Queen Blizzard flavor. Like, I like this one pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good is an understatement. I like this one a lot. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give Dairy Queen's caramel, truffle, choco, whatever magic they call this thing, 5 scoops of happiness.